Chapter 10 Gulliver at Sea. One day, the Queen takes me on a vacation to a palace near the sea. Gimbella is sick and can't come, so a servant takes me in my box. When we get to the palace, I want to see the sea. The servant puts sandwiches and water in my box and takes me to the beach. I go to sleep. The servant puts the box on the ground and walks to the sea. He wants to swim. Suddenly, my box moves and I open my eyes. I see the sky and the sun from my window. What's happening? I'm flying, I think. Then the box starts to fall and I'm scared. The box falls into the sea. This is my 4th day on the sea. Fortunately, water isn't coming into my box, but I don't have any food or water now. Suddenly, I hear a noise. Something's moving the box, I think. I open a window and shout for help. I can hear voices. Someone is speaking English. Someone's in the box, a voice says. Let's bring it here. Suddenly, my box stops moving, and I look out of the window. I'm on a ship, and I can see some sailors. They're not enormous. They're small, like me. I climb out the window. I don't understand what's happening. Chapter 11 Home Again. The sailors bring me food and water, and I have a meal. Then I start to understand. The sailors are English. I'm on an English ship, and finally, I can go home. The sailors ask me a lot of questions. "Why were you in that box?" a sailor asks. I start to tell the sailors about my adventures, but they don't believe me. Then I point to my mouse skin clothes, and they're very surprised. They want to hear all about my adventures. We get to England on June 3rd, 1706. I'm very happy to be home and to see my wife and children. But soon, I want to go to sea again. I think about strange islands and lands. Maybe one day, I can have another adventure.